Press Power button to turn on the Hyperlite G, then enter the boot interface. Press these two buttons together to lock or unlock the machine. Locking system to prevent unintentional exposure. Press these two buttons together to select the type of receptor. Select child or adult. Select the tooth type. Each tooth has a default exposure time. Set the exposure time. You can increase or decrease the time. Place the intraoral scanner on the proper area of the tooth to expose. Short press the exposure button to enter the ready state. In the ready state, the screen will display the inclination angle of the machine to the ground plane. Match the angle between the sensor and the X-ray unit. During exposure, you need to press and hold the exposure button until finish appears. The image will come out. If not, an abnormal exposure time reminder will appear. Press Power button to turn off the Hyperlite G. When you turn it on next time, it will show the last operation setting. You can set according to the real situation.